In a world plagued by incessant evil, one woman can save the innocent civilians of Primeville. With the help of the police chief and her brave deputy, Delta Justice can save the world.
Delta Justice, here to save the day in a really cool way.
It was a quiet morning in the town of Primeville. Almost too quiet. In this quiet neighborhood, Antiderivative is caught speeding in a residential zone. Oh no! She's speeding! Don't worry, citizen. I can help. I know her position at this time, but I don't know exactly how fast she was going. That's easy. The position function is given by 8t squared plus 20t. By taking the derivative of that function, we find the velocity, which is 16t plus 20. Using this function, we can find that at 2 seconds, antiderivative was going 52 miles per hour. Derivatives are great. I love derivatives. How could you let this happen? We had her. How could you let her escape? I need coffee. It's draining! I have a solution! We have 41 seconds. But how do you know? Here are the facts. The equation for the volume of a cylinder is V equals pi r squared h. The coffee is draining out of the pot at a rate of -5 pi square root of h inches per second. The radius of the coffee pot is 5 inches, and at time equals 0 seconds, the height of the coffee is 17 inches. Taking the derivative of the volume equation gives us dV dt equals 25 pi dH dt. We need to know dH dt, so we solve for dH dt, which is dH dt equals -5 pi square root h divided by 25 pi, which when simplified equals negative square root h divided by 5. With this new equation, we cross multiply to get h's on one side and t's on the other side. Taking the integral of this expression gives us 2 square root h equals -1/5 t plus c. Since we know that at 0 seconds the height was 17, we can solve for c, which gives us 2 square root 17. After plugging that in and solving for h, we find that h equals -1/10 t plus square root 17 quantity squared. We need to know when the coffee pot will be empty, so we substitute 0 for h and solve for t. Now we know that the coffee pot will be empty in 41.23 seconds. No! You have to bring her to justice. Do you see this? My delta senses are oscillating.